Yeah, good afternoon to one and all. I'm Sathish, native of Tirupati. I completed my master's in technology with a gold medal from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. I have 6 years of teaching expertise dealing with the subjects namely communications, signals, engineering mathematics for national level competitive exams like GATE and ESE. I have been teaching the above said subjects from various institutions all over the South India. So this is about myself. So now let me take the simple topic. So I'll explain you the conditional probability. So let me take the meaning and the applications of the conditional probability. So let me take the conditional probability. As you know that from the concept of your probability multiplication theorem, we know that probability of A intersection B is equivalent to probability of A into probability of B given A. And one more definition, probability of B into probability of A given B. So from this explanation, you can represent that as probability of A given B is equivalent to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. And similarly, one more, you can represent that as probability of B given A. Here also you will have it as probability of A intersection B and probability of A you will have it as. So let me take, just consider here, the conditional probability is very most important to use. Here we will write the unknown probabilities unknown probabilities in terms of known probabilities. We will write it as. This is the most advantage of the conditional probability. So if you clearly observe here, this B, here you are having A. So if you observe this properly, so in the denominator B you are having, in the denominator A you are having in these two cases. So that means that here A is unknown probability and B is known probability. That means we are writing the unknown probabilities in terms of your known probabilities. Here also B will be unknown and A will be known probability. So this is most important thing you have to keep in your mind based upon the conditional probability. So this is actually the definition. So let me try to give an example so that you will understood the concept very easily. So let me take an example, very peculiar example. Let me consider a die is rolled. A die is rolled if the number is odd. A die is rolled if the number is odd, then then find the probability of prime number. Then find the probability of prime number. This is the question. So as you know that if die is rolled, you know the sample space is, the die is, it is having 6 spaces. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces will do that. And they told that what? The number is odd number. You know that 1, 3 and 5 are the odd numbers. And also you know that the prime numbers. Actually this is the basic conditions. 2, 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. Am I right or not? So they given here a die is rolled if the number is odd number, then find the probability for the prime number. That is what the question they asked you. So here you are having two events. One is odd number. Event A, if I take it as, you are getting the odd number, and B is prime number. Am I correct? Yes. I hope you people are following me. So odd number means you are having here what? 1, 3, 5 and prime number is 2, 3, 5 you will have it as. So can you tell me what is the probability of this one? What is the probability of A? So you are having what probability means what ma? It is the ratio of your favorable cases to the total number of cases. So here I am having for odd number total 3 possible cases are there and total cases will be 6. Similarly, probability of B here also total you are having 3 prime numbers. Here also you are having. And if you observe this properly, this A is odd number is nothing but what ma? This odd number is nothing but what? A known event that you know that. But this prime number you don't know. So which is unknown event. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yeah, that is a part of this one. Now they asked that the probability of prime number given odd number. So if you observe here properly, this prime number is known event. This odd number is sorry. Um, this prime number is unknown event and odd number is what ma? Known event. So you can observe here probability of in the previous thing in the definition I just given you probability of A given B. Probability of A given B is this is unknown event, this is known event. So here we are representing that unknown events in terms of your known events. So that is the application of this one. So now here what you will get it as here if I want to represent this one. So which is probability of prime number intersection odd number divided by probability of odd number. Am I correct or not? So this you know that. Then from these two analyses, what you people will have it as the probability of a prime number intersection odd number. What are those? There is a common parts. What are the common parts you have people are having there? 2, 3, 5 and 1, 3, 5. So this 3 and 5 will be the common parts. So hence the intersection part will be what more? 2 divided by 6 you can represent it as. Am I correct? Yeah. So now once if you know those properties, you can tell directly that things. Give me the values. So this is 2 by 6 and our number will be what ma? 3 by 6. So finally you are having the answer is the 6 will get cancelled. You will have it as the answer as what ma? 2 by 3. So this is the most peculiar application for knowing the concept of your what ma? The conditional probability. So likewise you can solve some more many problems with the concepts of your what. So I can explain you the concepts through your problems. That is an examples. So that is very important. So this is about the somewhat the concept of your conditional probability, right? So this is about this one. Now let me take about the Unacademy. So the current question arises in you is why I need to choose the classes in Unacademy. Am I correct or not? So for that I have a wonderful answer for this. I have a wonderful answer for this. So Unacademy has the easy access of availability even in remote places and remote areas, right? And it is one of the uh, most top educators which is which has the flexible timings means so you no need to go with that flexible timings means so you no need to wait for the faculty timings that and all this, so you have a different types of your flexibility timings. Am I right or not? So moreover this they will provide you what the recording classes as well as your live classes. So that's the most advantage of these conditions. And moreover, one more advantage is also whenever you require within a particular the subscription period, they will give you the downloading of your easily readable downloading a PDF and notes. That is also the most advantage. Am I right or not? No need to write all these criteria. They will provide you the PDF notes. So that is the part of your unacademic conditions. So you will give you the choice of the educators and the comprehensive content delivery as well as the course completion, the coverage of the syllabus, all those it will be happens. So I want to see that in the part of the topmost educator in the unacademy. So this is very easy to access. So thank you.